Hello all, welcome back. So today's video is going to be on swapping two numbers using third variable. So the problem is swapping two numbers using third variable. Okay. So in order to swap two numbers, for example, I have a value with 10, b value with 20. So which means now there are two variables with values 10 and 20. Okay, I need to swap the values of a and b, which means a should have value 20, b should have value 10. So what is the actual logic? Now the logic is using third variable. Using third variable, I can just change the values of a and b, which means swap the values of a and b. Okay, now see the logic. Temp, I'll make use of variable temp. It's called temporary variable. Temp is equal to a, which means value of a, this value of a is copied into temp. So after this line, let me comment here, after this line, what will temp have? Temp is a new variable with value. I'm copying the value of a, right? 10. Okay, what is the actual value of a? A is also 10 because I'm not changing the value of a here. Then what is the value of b? B is equal to 20. Still I haven't changed. I've just copied value of a, this value of a, into temporary variable. Why am I doing this? Because I need to change the values of a and b, which means 20 should come into a, 10 should go into b, right? So but I should not lose the value of 10. Okay, if this particular statement is not there, this particular statement is not there, suppose I comment this particular line and I'll just make, I need to copy, right? I need to copy the value of a into b. So suppose if I write b is equal to, I write a is equal to b. Fine. Now what will happen? Just check here. A value will be 20, but what is B value? B value is still 20, right? Because I haven't changed, which means I'm losing the actual value of A here. 10, because I need to copy value of A into B, but I have lost the actual value. Only for this purpose, what we have to do, we have to create another variable and copy the value of A before making the actual change. Now just check here. Print value of A and print value of b. I'm not using any temporary variable, but I'm just making a copy of b into a. Okay, let me run. It's 2020, right? Because I have lost the actual original value of a here after this particular line. Okay, so to avoid this confusions, what we have to do is, before this particular line, I'll create another variable and copy the value of a into this particular variable so that I can later change the value of a and b, right? Now what happened? A is equal to 20, but what is temp? Temp is equal to 10, right? Temp is still 10. I have the actual value of a. Okay, now after this, a value has been swapped, a value has been changed with the value of b. Now I have to change the value of b into 10, right? But where is actually 10 stored? In temporary variable. So what should be the sentence here? B is equal to temp. That's it. Okay, now if we print, the actual value of a and b would have been swapped. What is temp variable? Temp is still 10, right? A value has been changed to 20, b value has been changed to 10, right? Now let's check the output. Run. See, it's 20 and 10. So for interactive output, I'll write value of a is equal to a. Fine. And next, for the next print statement, again within double quotes, value of b is equal to double quotes comma b. Okay, now run. So value of a is equal to 20, value of b is equal to 10. So the values are changed here. Okay, let me write print value of a before swap is equal to comma a. This is the syntax, right? Next, print value of b before swap is equal to comma b. Okay, a very simple program. So let me run the code now. So value of a before swap is 10, value of b before swap is equal to 20. Now I can just add value of a after swap as 20 and 10. So this is very simple logic where we swap two numbers using third variable. So my next video will be on swapping two numbers without using third variable, which means I should not use the temporary variable, but I have to use some mathematical concept in order to swap these two numbers without using third variable. Okay, so let me see you in the next video. Thank you.